Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can open settings in Windows 11. There are actually two ways how we can do it. So let me show you. The first way how we can do it, and that's the way that I'm using most of the time, is next to the search button. You're going to see on the left start. Right click on the start and then you're going to find settings here. The second way how we can find settings is if you would go next to the start is going to be search button, click on it with a left click and then write settings and open settings. And this is pretty much it how we can open settings in Windows 11. Now if you're gonna have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and definitely write down below in the comments that this video helped you on how we can open settings in Windows 11. So yeah. Goodbye. See ya.